So every month, 5 branches send you their sales report. 2 export their report from the ERP system, while the other 3 copy and paste from their manual Excel file. And you end up with this one file where nothing matches. The dates are written in 3 different ways, and some names are in capitals and some are not, and also a few rows are even copied twice. Normally fixing this can take the whole morning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this using Copilot in just few minutes. Let's get started. So before we do anything, one quick setup which is very important for Copilot to work perfectly. Copilot works best when the data is inside a table. I click any cell inside the data and press Ctrl T on my keyboard. A small box appears. I make sure my table has headers is ticked and then I click OK. Now my data is a proper table. Copilot can read every column by its name. Now for the first fix, Excel has a button made exactly for data cleanup. It's called Clean Data. You'll find it in the Home tab at the top. So let me click it. The panel opens on the right and Copilot already looked at my table and found things to fix. Okay, so each card is one suggestion. The first card found extra spaces along the names. This next one found names written in different cases. And the best thing is every card shows me before and after. So I can see exactly what will change before I agree to it. Nothing happens behind my back, right? Okay, so I click accept on the spaces and it is gone. I click accept on the names and just like that, the names from all the 5 branches now match. If a card ever suggests something I do not want, I simply ignore it, okay? Now, in a few clicks, the spaces and names are now clean. That's the easy part and it is done. Now let's move to the next part. The biggest problem in this file is the date format. You can see the 2 files that were exported from ERP system, they show the date starting with the year. And the other files which were prepared manually, they either show slashes or the month appeared as a word, right? So when a date column is mixed like this, Excel cannot sort it or add it up correctly. So clean data does not fix dates. So for this, we use Copilot. So open the Copilot pane. Okay, I click on the Copilot button, or you can press Alt and C on your keyboard. Copilot pane opens up on the right. At the bottom, there's a box where I can type my prompt. I'm going to type my instruction in plain English and I'll say exactly what I want to happen to this file. I'll say standardize the order date column to one date format and convert the text dates into real Excel dates. Then I press enter and I wait a moment while the Copilot works. And there it is now. Every date in the column now looks the same. More importantly, they are now real dates, not text. So I can finally sort them, filter them, and use them in any formulas. One mismatch now is fixed. Now to the next one, which is hiding in the branch codes. The branch code from the system export have a branch code like 010 or 020. But the export save those dates as text and not numbers. You can spot this easily. When I click a code, a small green triangle shows in the corner of the cells. That green triangle is Excel telling me this is a number being stored as text. Why does this matter? Text codes will not sort properly and they will not match up if you join these to another sheet. But I do not want to lose the 0 in front. I'll ask Copilot to fix both at once. Back in Copilot box and then I type my instruction. Convert the branch code column from text to numbers, but keep any reading zeros so each code stays 3 digits. Now you can see the green triangles are gone. The codes now are real numbers now, and 010 still shows it's 0 on the first digit. So we have fixed the dates, we have fixed the codes, yeah. But there's one more problem, and this one catches people out, yeah. So when you copy and paste from several files, the same cell often gets pasted twice. Now this copied row quite add up and make up your totals too high. And in thousand rows, you'll never find them by eye. So I ask Copilot to find them for me. So I type my instruction again in the box. Find and remove duplicate rows in this table. Copilot checks every single row and tells me it found 18 copies. These 18 cells that would have been counted twice, that will lead my total to be completely long. So I have a quick look at what I found. I confirm and copies are removed. My row count drops and now my totals are finally correct. One important habit: Copilot is fast, but it is not perfect. So always make sure you check what has been done before you send the report. So after I fix, I open few rows and check them with my own eyes to make sure that everything is in order. And here is a simple final check. I ask Copilot for the total sales for each branch and I compare with what they have sent me. Now this report is clean and I can share it with confidence. Once you have done these steps a few times, here now is a real time saver. Instead of one fix at a time, you can ask Copilot to fix all the things at one time. I start with a fresh and clean copy. I open Copilot and then type one longer instruction that lists every fix that we have done so far. So I type clean this branch data, trim the extra spaces, make the names uppercase, standardize the dates, convert the branch codes to the 3-digit numbers, and flag any duplicate rows. And the whole file become one clean report in a single step. Next month, that one instruction turns a 2-hour job into a few minutes. So think of what just happened. 5 different branch files in different formats become one clean report you can trust and share.